Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show up. When it does, just drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see that the widget is see-through, let go. As you can see, after that, my search bar was successfully deleted from home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!